Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I show you brief tutorials on how to knit certain stitches or patterns. Today's pattern is the mock cable stitch. This pattern is non-reversible. This is the look of the right side and this is the look of the wrong side or the back. The pattern is a 4-row repeat and you cast on a multiple of 4 stitches, which will give you this, and then an additional 2 stitches for an extra edge here. So let's get started. So as previously stated, I have quickly casted on a multiple of 4 stitches plus 2. I'm going to start with row 1. Row 1 and every other uneven row is on the wrong side or on the back of the work. You're first going to start by knitting 2 stitches knitwise. 1, 2, and then you are going to repeat purl 2, knit 2. So 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2. You're going to repeat that to the end of the row. Purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2. Now for row 2, I am on the right side or the front of the work. You're going to start with purl 2, and then you're going to repeat the following: knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, purl 2. Notice that you're going to do a yarn over, but you're not going to do a knit 2 together or slip slip knit. So in this row, for every repeat you are going to increase 1 stitch. So we're going to knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and purl 2. These are already purled, so it's easy to remember. Again, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, purl 2. Last repeat, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, purl 2. So you've now finished row 2 and you've ended up with a lot more stitches than you originally casted on. So your multiple of 4, your original multiple of 4 is now a multiple of 5 stitches plus 2. Okay, let's continue on to the next row. Row 3, back on the back side or on the wrong side, you're going to start with knit 2, and then you're going to purl 3, knit 2. I'm going to repeat that. The purl 3 is the previous row, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. So purl 3, knit 2. So row 3, you're basically knitting stitches as they come, and the yarn overs you're going to purl as well. It's easy to remember, the yarn over goes between 2 purl stitches. Purl 3, knit 2. If you're hearing a lot of background noise, I'm sorry, I'm surrounded by dogs and rabbits singing the song of the people or making their noises. No rest for the wicked. And then now our final row. This is where you have to work the most and where the action happens, the effect really comes to. So we're going to start with purl 2. Now we're here at the cable section. You're going to slip the first knit stitch. Then you're going to knit 2, so you're going to knit these 2 stitches. And you're now going to pass over that slip stitch over these 2 knitted stitches. So with your left needle, you're going to go in this slipped stitch. You're going to bring all your stitches closest to the point of your right needle, and you're going to pass it over. And that's it. I'll show you again. So you slip 1 stitch. You knit the next 2 knitwise, and then you're going to pass that slip stitch over 2 stitches. There we are, and then purl 2. So when in row 2 you increase a stitch for every repeat, in row 4 you decrease a stitch every repeat. So it stays stable this way. One last go. Slip 1 stitch, knit 2, pass a slip stitch over the 2 knitted stitches, then knit, purl the last 2 stitches. There we are, a mock cable. So because you are increasing a stitch in every repeat during row 2 and decreasing a stitch every row 4, it is recommended that you do an entire repeat if you want to finish your work. If you want to cast off, I suggest that you either cast off after row 4 or after row 2, in case so that you don't end up with casting off when you have way more stitches than you originally casted on. So I hope that was helpful. If this tutorial was helpful, please give me a little like. You can always give me a comment if you want. You can subscribe to my channel, or you can follow me on Instagram at JaneJamesKnitwear, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!